Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you already see in the title, today we're unboxing a huge pile of kits. They were sent to me by Everydayecrafts and they shipped them pretty quickly. They got here in like 2 weeks. And so I'm doing a two-part series of this, so I'm unboxing the first 3 today and the 4 others will be posted next week. And I also have a paint by numbers kit, which I'm gonna show you in a separate video. So I will start with this. I had to open it because it had a weird shape and I forgot that I got a paint by numbers. So you will see what it is next time, but this is how it got packed. And what I did was, now they shipped it to me a while ago, so like a few weeks, and I took out the colors. They're so beautiful. I will start this together with you and show you what it's going to look like. But when they are shipped, I would recommend unboxing or unbagging the paint by numbers pretty quickly, so the colors can stand as they're supposed to be. They're like usually rolled up like that, and you want your colors to like settle down the way they're supposed to. So that's why I took this out right when it arrived. But as I said, that's a project for another time. So the first 3 kits, let me see. I want to try and make this as quick as possible. So not much rambling. But I'm really excited. It's when you wait so long until you open them, I don't really remember what I chose, to be honest. So first kit. Ooh, oh, I remember her. Oh my god. I was super scared that she wouldn't turn out very good, but I think she looks pretty awesome. So she's dancing and the sun is like burning behind her, and her dress looks like it's burning too. I thought that this was so cool and special. The original, I don't know if you can see, I will link all of those images down below. This is how, if you can see that, what she's supposed to look like. And I think she's turning out awesome. I'm surprised. Now, when you pick a picture that is, this is, what it is? What is it? I think it's a 30 by 40, so pretty classic. Minus the border, as you know. I'm always looking for images that don't have too tiny details, but I was worried that if you could see that she's a person, if you could see like the oranges of her like burning dress, but I think this will turn out pretty nice. Now for the colors. I mean, there's always like standard toolkit, I don't have to show you. I will quickly show you the colors and then we're going to the next one. I can actually see myself putting her on my wall. So, as you can see, there are many... Can you see? I'm sorry. There are beautiful dark red colors in here, and oranges and grays. I think she will go very quickly. There's not much confetti, but still there are so many beautiful colors in here. So number 1. I hope my camera did its job. If not, I'm so sorry. I have a little screen where I can see what I'm doing, but I don't always see with these smaller things if it's focused right. So this one, I cut into it. No, I didn't cut into the thing, but I opened it because I wasn't sure what delivery it was from. So, but I already don't remember anymore what's in here. Sorry, now it's focused. Oh, now I remember. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is number 2. It's a deer. And I've seen this so many times and I finally ordered it. And it's perfect. Oh my god. It's so perfect. I love it. Love the colors. This is something I wouldn't put on my wall, but I'm sure it will be so much fun to do. So again, it's a 30 by 40. This is like a super nice small size. You can manage to do pretty quickly, but you still have that full coverage feeling if you like that. So here you go. I'm checking the glue for you, but yeah, it's really nice. I really haven't had any bad experiences with these kinds of pictures. It's poured glue, which is always awesome. So let me show you the colors. These will be fun. So let me see. And I'm numbering them afterwards, so you don't have to watch that. But I will put stickers on all the pictures and the packages with the drill, so I can find them later and put them back together. These are number... I have 26 kits now, ever. Not active, but that I ever owned. So at the end of this unboxing, I'm at number 32. So these are the colors. Just a very quick look. I'm trying to avoid the glare. So here are some grays. I love these minty pastel colors. I love them to use in my planner as well. Yeah, I do have a bullet journal and I do work with all the good things, washi tapes and stickers and fun pens and yeah, having fun with that. Yeah. Oh, there are the pink colors and the green. Oh, look at that. They're beautiful. Love those. I will do all of these. You will see all of them done on this channel. And again, this is the deer one and I will put the link down below. So really quick today. I'm really trying now, what am I picking next? I don't know, maybe a small one? This looks big. This one looks also big. I don't know. I think this is the flattest one. It's so fun to be surprised of what's in here. I love the surprise. You always have to really be careful when you're cutting up here. Oh yeah, that's what I guessed actually that was in it. I remember that I have one special drill at least in here. Ooh, this is a partial and she's so beautiful. Look at her. Really trying to avoid the glare. I think I might have to move this lamp so you can see better. There you go. Oh my god, I love her. She has tattoos down here and you are drilling so many things in her hair and her crown and the flowers. She's one of my favorites and I actually haven't seen her before. This is a 30 by 30 but with a big frame around it. And you have 10 different stones in here. So we'll take a closer look at those. Ooh, okay, so let me see. Focus. Focus. Camera. Focus. Now. Okay, so we have the green drops, which are always my favorite, the teardrop shaped ones. And we have those. These are red ones. Ooh, and some solid golden ones. I haven't seen those before. Have you? Those are new to me, like solid gold. Then we have those with the AB. Some orangey ones, but very, very nice. Then we have lots of black. I think that's for her hair. Some purple and more orangey yellows. This is going to be so beautiful. So because I had so much glare, I will try to show you the other ones as well with this light off. So just in case there was too much glare before, this is the deer. And this is the first one, and I'm going to put those just under heavy books so they flatten out, and it works really well. I left from my previous order, I left those under some heavy stuff, and they're really flat now. And it took only like a week or so. Oh, now you can see her much better without that light on. Isn't she pretty? Yeah, so I think I have something more that I can quickly show you. Let me see if I can find it. Okay, so we have those. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's awesome. I found this on their website, and it's a round drill ruler. So it's a mesh which fits the drills, or should fit the drills perfectly, and it's big. And for round drills, I really like to use those. Especially I start on the corners of the piece, and in the middle I don't use the ruler. But once you have, like for example, I would use this down here and on the sides, and fill in the middle part by hand. So you have all those ones on the side straight, and you can align the middle ones to those that are super straight, and it looks super neat in the end. So these are pretty good, but you have to be really careful when you pull them from the paper, because my old one ripped, but I used it a lot. But it tends to rip after a while, so you have to be really careful. I'm pretty sure I will demonstrate that. Now sadly it got a little, well, it has some bumps in here from delivery, but I'm pretty sure I can push it flat. Maybe I just put it under books as well. But I'm so excited to try that one out. I will show this to you in another update video. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in part 2. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. See you then. Bye!